Namaste parents, my name is Aradhya. I am in UKG. Today we are going to do balloon hovercraft. There is a straw where we have to make a cone in this, and we put the straw like this and see the magically the balloon. We keep the straw like this and the balloon will start. We keep the balloon ulta like this. We'll keep like this, and then if we blow like this, all the balloon will start going flying over the sky.
Namaste parents, I am Revati. Welcome back to my channel Bump to Brainiac. I am today with my little daughter Aradhya, and we are doing a very interesting science experiment from the Ginimini kit, which is from Class Monitor. It is called the STEM Kit, and it has 10 plus wonderful STEM experiments. We have done the first one, which was growing worms, which is there on my YouTube channel. This is the second experiment that we are going to do today, which is called the Balloon Hovercraft. So we have, quickly I'll just give you an understanding of what are the things that are there that we need for this activity. So Aradhya, these are the instructions, right? Yes. So first, keep all the material on the work desk. So we have the cello tape, everything is there, scissor,
Gum,
and balloons. We have, very good. The second is trace and cut the circle. So parents, Aradhya already did this as an initiative. She sat down and she cut the first circle already. So it's ready with us. There is a slit because we plan to make a cone. We'll show you that. Make a slit as shown in the picture, fold it into a cone. So the slit is already there. Wait. No, we cannot fold it. Secure the straw with inside the cone. Abril. So parents, with a lot of effort, my husband has prepared this cone, and we have used a bendy straw, and with a cello tape we have secured it like this. There should be no gap. Please see clearly and follow the instructions which are given in the guideline manual. Now this is almost done. So the hovercraft process is, there is a balloon which we have inflated, and Aradhya will, in the end, Aradhya will put this in her mouth. The wind will come from her mouth and the balloon will hover, which is called the, what is the activity name?
balloon hovercraft.
So now we will try to understand, Aradhya, how much air you are giving and how high it goes. Also we have to understand okay, this is a balloon. If there is an object which is heavier, maybe this or any heavier object, how easily will it rise up above, and we can understand how much force and air or pressure is required to push it and make it fly. Okay, so we will understand all these concepts today. Do you want to show everyone? Okay. All the best. Put it in your mouth and the balloon.
No.
Oh, it has already started flying. Keep it in your mouth and make it fly. Ooh, very nice.
Again.
Make it fly. So parents, this was our balloon hovercraft activity from the Ginimini STEM Kit. It's a wonderful experiment we all saw. Aradhya really enjoyed and learned a lot from it. Help your children, play with them and understand. It's a fun way to help them understand different science concepts. Definitely check this box out. I'll link it in my comments.
Happy parenting.
So if you like our video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Bump to Brainiac for more exciting, engaging, educational content. मिलते हैं next video में, तब तक के लिए happy parenting.